Welcome to a series of videos that I created for a superdeker clone that I built. This is gameplay video that's going to demonstrate the speed timer mode. The next mode that we have is the speed timer mode. In this mode, what you do is you're going to set a point value. I'm going to drop it down to 30, and your goal is to get 30 sensors in as fast as you can. So let's give that a try. Same thing, this sensor's gonna light up and the game's gonna start once I go over there. Thanks for checking out this video on how the speed timer mode works. If you are interested in more gameplay videos, the other modes, or how this thing was built, please check out the other videos in the playlist. If you're interested in looking at some of the other stuff I built, please check out my main page. Thanks.